Hey y'all, I'm Reba, and this weekend we're going glamping. It's kind of like camping, but I'm gonna have a flush toilet. So when I go camping, I like to have pretty much all my food ready to go, because while everybody else is sitting around a campfire or getting ready to head to a boat or something fun, I don't want to be chopping a vegetable. I'm not about that life. So today we gonna make some slow cooker baked beans. Now don't get it twisted. I get a lot of it from a can. So I have chopped up a bunch of veggies that I had in the fridge. Some just needed to be used up. I might not normally put them in. So I've got celery, green pepper, red pepper, white onion, red onion, a whole bunch. I like a lot of veggies in my baked beans because anywhere I can put a veggie, that means that the calorie density is coming down. Because girl, I gotta look kind of cute in a bathing suit. So, veggies. Now, I'm going to make a little extra special sauce for it. I mean, what comes in the can's pretty good, but I think I can do better. So, I have a little bit of jalapeno pepper that I broiled and then let steam in the piece of foil that I broiled it on. Just chopped it up. I'm going to put it in the little blender thing. Then I have just a little bit of barbecue sauce I added some water to, because I like to get everything out of the little bottle, because I'm cheap that way. I think we've discussed this. Then I'm going to do just a little bit of sweet hot mustard. I like a lot of flavor. Then I'm going to do a little bit of regular, just honey barbecue sauce. And I'm going to go ahead and add in a lot of my seasonings right in here so they can get good and combined. I'm going to do a little smoked paprika, a little liquid smoke, love liquid smoke, a little onion powder, little black pepper, little chipotle chili powder, a little sprinkle of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of turmeric. Again, anywhere I can get that turmeric in for the health benefits, I'm going to do that. And it works out really well in things that are already so flavorful, you don't even know it's there. Then I'm just going to blend for like a second. All I'm really doing is getting that jalapeno pepper combined in there. I've got a can of Bush's vegetarian baked beans. And then I'm going to do a can of rinsed black beans as well. Because this is going to feed several of us at camp. And I love making dishes that people like, that are just naturally vegetarian or vegan. Yeah, there could be meat in this, there could be bacon or whatever, and you do have to watch cans of baked beans for that. But this is something that people go, oh, I don't want to eat that vegan food. And then make me smack them in the face. A mean vegan. Just kidding. But you know what? I don't think this is enough. Because let me tell you, down here, we are eaters. So I'm going to get another can of beans out. And you know what I'm going to do this time? Please hold. I'm going to do a can of chili beans. That was really close. I had to double check because I don't have my glasses on because I'm vain. Plus, that's going to add some more flavor. Ooh, yummy. Oh, so now look at all that. This should be about the right amount for my gang. Because, you know, most people aren't like me. They take like a little smidge of something. Honey, half my plate will be these beans. With my coleslaw. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it. That coleslaw's delicious. Then my zhuzh, that's what I call it. My zhuzh. That looks good. So now what I'm going to do, after I stir this all together, is I'm going to put this in a container to go. I'm not going to cook it. And I'm going to take one of those slow cooker liners and my slow cooker, and tomorrow before we get on the boat and go play all day, I'm going to plug these in. And by the time we get back, and I probably won't be in any shape to cook, let's just be honest, they'll be ready to go. All right.